This video is going to be about the whiteboard or drawing board. So here I am in my board, and if you look down at the lower toolbar, you'll see find your keyword, phrase, and draw. So I'm going to press draw. And so now I'm in my board, my drawing board, and I can choose a color. So I've picked a color, I can choose the size. So now I have a big size and I can draw. I can make it a smaller size. I could change the color. I can go back to the board. I can do some, I can press a word and I can go back and it's still there. This is on purpose. This is how we made it. You can erase the whole thing, or you can erase just a little bit. So the eraser does a little bit and the clear will take the whole thing away. If you are using your app in light mode, the board will be white. And then you can draw in here as well.